Hi, next topic we are doing is partnership deed and registration. First, what is partnership deed? Partnership deed is a written agreement, sometimes it may be oral also, but it talks about the agreement between the various partners regarding the partnership. It talks about profit and losses, it talks about capital contribution, and in case of any misunderstanding, you can always present partnership deed as an evidence or conclusive proof that yes, this was the agreement and this misunderstanding can be resolved in such a manner. Let's start with what is there in partnership deed. The written agreement which specifies the terms and conditions that govern the partnership is called partnership deed. So this is the definition for partnership deed. Second, it talks about all the clear agreement with respect to the terms, condition and all aspects concerning the partners. Like I told you, profit and losses they want to share, capital contribution, everything. So that there is no misunderstanding later on. Everything is clarified on time so that the partners may work in an uninterrupted manner. It can be oral or written, this is there, but preferably partnership deed is written. It constitutes an evidence of the conditions agreed upon. So whatever conditions you have agreed upon, the partners have agreed upon as partners, all is written there and all is mentioned in the partnership deed. What are the content of partnership deed? First, name of the firm. Second, nature and location of the business. Third, for how long is the partnership duration? Fourth, investment made by each partner, that is capital contribution. Next, distribution of profit and losses. What is the ratio of their sharing of profit and losses? Duties and obligation of partner. Each partner, the type of partners who are working, what is their duty, what is their obligation? Salaries and withdrawals of the partner, because it has to be very clear, otherwise they might pose a kind of misunderstanding. Terms governing admission and retirement and expulsion of partner. So if you want to admit another partner, if a partner wants to retire, and if you want to throw away any partner, you want a partner to exit from the partnership firm, so how are you going to deal with that? Then interest on capital out here, then interest on drawings, then a procedure for dissolution. So whatever capital is contributed, what should be the interest on capital, what is the interest on drawings made by each partner in the firm. Procedure for dissolution, how you're going to dissolve the partnership firm, that is you're going to bring the partnership firm to an end. Preparation of that is preparation and auditing of accounts, how you're going to maintain the accounts, the books of accounts. And next is, and last is, methods of solving disputes. In case there is a dispute in between the partners, how you're going to resolve that. So all things, the answer is, for all these things, the answer is partnership deed. Next we come to registration. See, like when we did the introduction of partnership, we talked about that it is not compulsory for a partnership firm to be registered. Yes, it is not. But it is always better if you get your partnership firm registered, because there are some consequences of non-registration. Now, what do we mean by registration, or what exactly how the process of registration goes? We are going to cover both the things, the process of registration as well as meaning of registration. Meaning of registration says that when you enter the name of the firm in the register of firms with the registrar of firms, it is known as registration. So it means entering of the firm's name along with the relevant prescribed particulars in the register of firms with the registrar of firms. Both the aspects have to be taken into consideration. So you enter the name of the firm in the register of firm with the registrar. It provides conclusive proof. किस चीज का कि yes, this partnership firm exists. ये partnership firm चल रही है. It is optional for a partnership firm to get registered, but in case the partnership firm does not get registered, it has to face some consequences. What are the consequences of non-registration? First, a partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a suit. File a suit means case against the firm or other partners. आप किसी और के ऊपर केस नहीं कर सकते as a partner. The firm cannot file a suit against third party. किसी ने आपकी partnership firm के against कोई problem create करी, तो उस third party के against आप केस नहीं फाइल कर सकते. दूसरी चीज़, तीसरी चीज़, द फर्म कैन नॉट फाइल केस अगेंस्ट द पार्टनर्स. आपस में पार्टनर्स एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट भी केस फाइल नहीं कर सकते इन केस ऑफ एनी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. So these are the three consequences of non-registration of partnership firm. Now, If there is a question something like this, what are the benefits of registration? So all you have to do is, I've mentioned it out in capital out here. When benefits of registration are asked, then just remove the word cannot and write can. So when you talk about the benefits, अगर हम यहाँ पर ही benefits की बात करें, FITS, okay, a partner of काट देंगे, यहाँ जाएगा registered firm. A partner of registered firm can file a suit against the firm or the other partners. The firm can file a suit against third partner. The firm can file a case against the partners in case benefits of registration is asked. Okay, so consequences में क्या आएगा, cannot होएगा, और benefits में क्या आएगा कि firm ये सारी चीज़ें कर सकती है. This finishes off the part of registration and consequences of non-registration or benefits of registration. Next we come to the process of registration. Now, for the process of registration, first thing which you have to do is you have to submit an application. Whom do you have to submit the application? To the registrar of firms, so that he enters the name of the firm in the register of the firms. Submission of application in prescribed form to the registrar of firms. Application में क्या क्या लिखा होगा? It will have the name of the firm, it will have the location of the firm, then name of other places जहाँ आप अपने business को carry out करते हो, date of joining of all the partners, उनके नाम और addresses of the partners, duration of partnership कि आप कितने time के लिए वो partnership करना चाहते हैं. This has to be duly signed by all partners. सबको साइन करना ज़रूरी है. अगर उनके सिग्नेचर नहीं होंगे तो पार्टनरशिप फर्म रजिस्टर्ड नहीं हो सकती. सेकेंड थिंग यू डू इज़ यू डिपॉजिट द फ़ी. आपको फ़ी किसको डिपॉजिट करनी है? रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फर्म्स को. जितनी रिक्वायर्ड फीस है आपके टाइप के फर्म के लिए, आपके टाइप के बिजनेस के लिए, आप उतनी फ़ी डिपॉजिट करते हो. दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेप. थर्ड एंड लास्ट स्टेप इज गेटिंग द अप्रूवल. यू गेट द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फर्म्स. So the registrar will give an approval, वो approval देता है. Registrar will make an entry in the register of firms. वो register of firm में आपका नाम enter कर देगा. आपका मतलब आपकी firm का with all the partners. Finally, you will get the issue of certificate of registration. So आपको certification मिल जाएगी कि now your firm is registered and you can commence the business in the partnership firm. So we dealt with two topics, partnership deed and registration. That's enough for today. For next topic, we are going to discuss about the types of partners and types of partnership.